That is so cool.
It's so gross.
How? I don't want him to fall, so...
How about you make him fall?
No. I'll let him go right here. That is cool. Alright, let's keep moving. Alright, so I'm in here. Cool as shit. And boom, look at that. You see straight up to the top. You can't really see what's up there though, it's a bunch of trees. It's a cool place to hide from the cops.
Alright. Is it recording?
Press the red button.
Alright. Recording. Nice, man. You caught another one.
He's musking all over me.
Stinky.
He's calmed down a little bit though.
He's cool.
He's just a garter snake.
He's a pretty big gardener snake, though.
Yeah, he is. He's a nice size.
He's like about the size of your forearm.
Don't stop recording.
Stop recording?
Yeah, hold the phone sideways.
Nice.
Yeah, he was up in that tree stump over there.
He likes you.
Not really. He bit me like fucking 3 times.
Well, now he likes you because
Yeah,
he sees you can take a beating.
Yeah, he's cool, dude.
Alright, nice. Okay, ready, step.
Alright, we're gonna watch this guy have a little swim.
That's one snake for the day.
Look how cool that is.
Gloves don't have any much on.
And he's swimming away right now.
Here, have a clam.
Got a little froggy. We're gonna give him a little bit of a bath. And here he comes back to Poppy. Oh, he's upside down. Look at that. That's really cool. I like the pattern on him. Alright, I'm gonna set him down now. Continue my journey.
Bright green.
Come here, dude.
Hopper.
Oh, there he goes. Ah, got him.
Dude, we keep following this river.
Fuck, he keeps hopping. Dude, this thing is cool.
If you're going upstream, you're gonna go down.
I don't know. Where did the fucking thing jump?
Going this way.
And this is beautiful back here.
Continue to go that way? Yes, sir.
Hi, Calum. What? This thing out.
Not even holding his head?
Nah, yeah, he's alright. Make sure it's focused. Oh, he just struck it. Nice, did you get that?
Hilarious. He was so close to my finger.
He wants it, bro.
So close to my finger.
Check that out.
Now, I ain't holding that guy without these gloves on. That's cool, man. We got
sick, dude. You still recording?
Yeah.
Cool, right? Look at that. He's a fatty.
He's cool, man. I'm glad I spotted him and called you guys over.
Yeah, dude. Look how he just slithers through. He's real calm right now.
He likes it. He's like, all right, you can take a beating.
Ooh, that was not calm. I was just about to put him around my neck.
Fuck with me.
I put the rat snake around my neck. He was fine. Look, check this out. Check this out. Ready? Get real close. Get real close.
Bite me again.
So he can
Look
bite
at that. No, no. Record what I'm touching. Look. Look at that. It's so soft.
Yeah, I'm sure the camera can feel it.
Look at that. That's so cool.
All right, I got the thumb.
Your phone just spazzed out. There we go.
Don't get that motherfucker close to your face.
Look at that. Oh, that's a beautiful snake.
Don't fucking.
You got the phone.
He's gonna snap at you. Ready? Boom.
Nope.
You're pissing him off, bro.
Nice. Nice.
You got that on camera?
I got it.
Hey, buddy. It's okay. Okay.
All right, the release.
And here he goes. Wherever you want to go. We'll let you go back to your home because it's not raining anyway. Get that stick. There you go, buddy. Have fun.
Look at that.
Cool, man. I say, I stop all recording. Yes. Now wash your hands.
I got a nice little bite on me. Fortunately, I was not fast enough again. But other than that, it's a success.
What is he doing?
What is that fucking thing?
No, it doesn't go. I saw its face.
You can't really see it on the phone. Okay, there's a goat right over here. Some kind of fucking... Yeah. Right there. Oh my god, there he is. Shh, stop walking. There he is, right there. He's looking at us. That is so cool. One right here, and there's another one down there.
Come here.
No, you don't want him to come in here. He's gonna fuck you up. I'm gonna see if I can get close. I'm not gonna fucking threaten him.
What if he jumps off the fucking cliff, bro? Look at his horns, bro. He could fucking
That's so cool.
fuck you up, bro.
The other one right there is just checking us out right now.
He's gonna fuck you up, man.
Should I touch him?
Look at this ball sack.
No.
Come here. Look at this ball sack.
Touch him. He's gonna ram you.
Oh man, I'm right here.
He feels threatened.
Oh, he's missing an eye.
Is he?
He's missing an eye. Come here, turn your head, buddy. Yeah, he's only got one eye.
Split rock right now. And there are goats in front of us.
One right there too. Hanging out right there. That's so cool.
Saw him from all the way over there. Walk the path around.
He doesn't even care that we're here. He's just eating right now.
Touch him.
No, I don't really think I should touch him. It's not a good idea.
Make him scared.
That's so cool, dude.
They smell.
Yeah, they do kind of smell.
No, come here.
Damn, he does have huge balls. Holy shit. Oh my god, those things are massive, dude. It's a wrecking ball. Oh my god, look at those fucking things.
I want to know where the hell.
Dude, it literally smells like a petting zoo over here. Dude, you're scaring him. I don't know, dude.
Nah, he just hungry.
Dude, he's big. I don't know. We're kind of cornering
Just
him.
touch him.
Oh my god! Looks like they're moving on.
Oh, I both.
Yeah, I know.
That one.
Oh, that one has big balls too. Alright, we're gonna say goodbye to the goats with the big ball sacks. Get the fuck out of the way, Mark. Oh, they're gone now. You ruined it. Got this toad right here. Just peed all over
Oh,
me.
he's still peeing.
Oh, he's still peeing? It's gross. Yeah, I picked him up and he just squirted out like a water gun.
Ah, it's a cute thing.
Look at that though, that's cool. I'm not gonna squeeze him.
That's what I said she did.
Oh, fuck, he just did it again. Alright,
All over you.
Toilet.
look at that.
Fuck you.
That's disgusting. He just won't fucking stop pissing on me. That's cool. You wanna hold him?
No.
what's up?
All right, I found him right next to this. Oh, he's still peeing. Found him next to this Chinese food. So.
He pisses like a grown ass
Put it right there. I know he's fucking retarded. He won't stop peeing. All right, goodbye. Leave him alone, Mark. Stop. Oh, I guess he has a little hole. Oh no, I guess not. Okay, bye, Toad.
Man,
Let's
they
go.
went in.
He's tiny.
Oh, let's go. Let's see the mosquitoes.
Won't focus on him. Oh my god. There we go.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna let him go now. Put him right here on this rock. And there he goes. Why'd you throw that at him? Alright, so we just finished hiking. Pretty successful day. Yep, that's Calum.
Hey, how you doing?
That's Mark. And we caught a bunch of snakes and some frogs and
Yeah, caught a bunch of snakes and some, frogs and a bunch of snakes and some frogs and, Oh, and I don't know if you know this, but we actually caught a bunch of snakes and some frogs. And,
yeah, pretty much.
yeah, a lot,
So yeah,
a lot of stuff.
successful day. And we saw some badass goats.
Yeah, we did.
That was cool as shit.
Two of them mugs.
Don't curse. This is a family show.
So two of them mugs. Like a coffee mug.
Oh, alright.